A lovely evening from here by my watch to everyone. Trust we're all doing great. Today's date is Friday, July 10th, 2026, and I'm on Reegtype right here, which is a free miner. You make free money. This is the update I've been giving. As you can see, my free miner is here. I have about 12.5 dollars already, all for free, all for free. So I just want to do a withdrawal today and then show you how this works. So let's get done with the withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is $1, so I'm going to do $1 because I intend to do $1 on daily basis. So how do you place withdrawals to prove this still works, right? So just come over here and click on transfer, right? When you click on transfer, you can see payment methods with which you can receive your withdrawals. Okay, so I'm going to be using USDT bet 20. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. So it's come over here, then I will come here and click. You can see, so this is what I'm doing. I'll be paid within 1 minute to 24 hours. I've withdrawn before. This is my second withdrawal, but I have to wait to this time so I can build my account based on some things I will explain to you on how to maximize this opportunity. So right now I can withdraw a minimum of $1, like I said. So let me go to my trust wallet and pick out my, what's it called, my USDT BEP20 wallet address. Okay, so I'm doing that right away and quickly as possible. So I may be pausing this video at some point if it's necessary, just to shorten the length of the video. Okay, so this is just for educational purposes. Please get to know that. So then you can see my screen. So I'm going to be taking my withdrawal into my USDT BEP20 wallet address, as you can see. So I click on receive, right? I click on receive so that I can copy out my wallet address. So that's my wallet address. It's copied. So you can see, if you go back right now, you will take note that my USDT here is just $1. Okay, just $1 is USDT. That USDT has just $1. So I want to place a withdrawal for additional $1, right? Even if you check the top of the screen, you would have seen about 307, sorry, $3.7 there. So here I come and paste my wallet address. Then the amount I want to withdraw is just $1. Okay, so I want to be placing one withdrawal daily. So I click on transfer. So you can see execution generated successfully. So I've done this successfully. Okay, so I close the tab. Okay, has been ordered. Please wait for execution. So that's it. I'm going to be waiting. You can see the first one I did successful, so I had to wait to build up this account, and right now it is processing. Do you understand? It's processing in right now. So this is a free miner. You can check my other videos to understand how to benefit from this system. So like I said, I'm not using any money. You can see $1 has been deducted. I'm doing it for free. So for me to maximize my earnings, all I need to do is copy my referral link here and share with as many persons as possible. Many. So let's go to the what's it called, reviews. Let's click on reviews. So we're going to see what people have done today. You can see people making money. People are making serious money. So let's check this out. This is about 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago, let's see what this guy's done. See, this guy withdrew $1 today. You can see the date, 10th of July 2026. Awesome. So you can go down the line, you will see many more. This guy withdrew $3 today. You can see it, 7th of July 2026. Awesome. So people are placing withdrawals. You can see many of them, thousands and thousands of withdrawals gone into people's accounts. Let's see what this person got on in his Binance account. $1.87 on daily basis for free. Okay, so you can even withdraw more. I can decide to withdraw everything here, but the issue is, if I do so, my miner will become slower than this, and the percentage I earn daily will drop. So as you build it up, you are making more money. Some people are using their own money to mine by putting in a lot of money. If you put in, if you top up your account, you come over here to find out what that is. Come to the, I think that should be the affiliate. Okay, let me go over to this point and show you increase in profits. So this will show you what it means. So for people who put in good money up to $150, you see them earn as much as 12.3% daily, about $18 on daily basis, and up to $550 on monthly basis. That is awesome. That is if you decide to take some risk, right? But I'm not telling you what I have not done. So mine is for free. I'm doing it for free, and that's exactly what it is. You understand? That's exactly what it is. So I am trying to, like, check my, I will pause this video to check, but let's see if transaction history can tell me exactly. So it's still processing. You can see it's still processing. So as soon as it's done, I will complete the video. Appreciate you, Opportunity Knox. All right, so let's go and check now. I've given it some time. I just unpaused the video. So let's go to transaction history and check what's happening. Maybe the money has been paid. You can see wonderful, completed, right? So we now go to my trust wallet to go and do confirmation. Meanwhile, my miner is still running at a fast speed. Let's go to my trust wallet. Let's confirm if the payment has rolled in. Okay, so that's my trust wallet while they're loading up, just in a few to be up. Awesome. So here's my trust wallet. So we're going to see it right now that the money has dropped. It had 3 point something dollar before. USDT was $1 before. Now USDT is $2. Can you see it? It's now $2. So I have received the payment from the free miner. So every day now I'll be withdrawing at least $1 per day. Wonderful. Even I make more than $1 now for free. Free mining, beautiful system. Just take advantage of it. The more you refer people, the more money you make. It's all for free. Even if you don't refer, that's not the problem. So you can see this is what it is. So received at the top right there, I have received another $1 good. So that's the price, that's the amount, that's the time. So it took approximately 1 hour to send me this payment from now till when I received the payment completely. So thank you so much. Um, Sign up with the link below and you will be able to sign up immediately and start your way to start making free money. Thank you, Opportunity Knox.